Hey guys, this is Mr. Golias with one quick problem solve and our publishing. So one problem I'll hear is people say, yeah, I can't see all my audio. I imported 5 files and only 2 are showing up. Well, you need more images and you need more duration so you'll be able to see the rest of your audio. For example, I can tell that's true by, let's say I changed the transition time to 30 seconds on this slide. You'll notice all the audio that just showed up. That means there's still more audio, and if I was to do it to this one too, you'll see the audio keeps growing. So there's more there. That's one way to just check. And you're just going to need more images because you certainly don't want a duration of 30 seconds. Anywhere from like 1 second to 5 is the max. Okay, so that's how you solve that problem. Secondly, publishing. I'm going to click File, and this time I'm going to do Save Movie. And we're going to go for computer. Super important. I do those. You want to select in this PC, we're saving it for you guys into your Genius Hour folder, and you can save it right here. You can call it whatever you'd prefer and then click the save button, and it's going to take a little bit of time for this file to save. And once it does finish, it's going to give you this choice. You can open it in the folder or play it. I recommend opening in the folder and making sure it's there, and then I would play it from your folder. And at that point, if yours is completely done, you have a completed file that you're going to be able to share, get feedback, and go from there. I would also save this, continue to save this as a workable file because you may get feedback where we're going to make some changes. But that is how you publish, and you would be able to turn this in into the Google Classroom Genius Hour section now that it's done. But don't do it just yet. You're going to get feedback.